or what order we put the payables in. And then we have an equity account called share capital. It's always there, so we'll put that there, and it was for 92,500. Now this isn't going to balance because we have another account that we need to add, which is retained earnings. So we can go to equity, and we'll have to figure out what the retained earnings is. Now we can figure it out. In order to make this thing balance, it would have to work. But we can also let's produce an income statement and see what the income was for the period. So we're looking for anything that qualifies as revenue, and definitely commissions earned would qualify as revenue, and that would be 169,500. And we need to add. Okay, we need to add consulting revenue earned, and that's for 216,000. Click that. You can see that we've got this checkbox to check off everything. Oh, rent earned. And whenever you see the term rent or earned, you know that. Whoops. I have to grab it first. You know that that's income. So there's certain sort of buzzwords that we can use to make sure that we pick up everything. Now, what do we have left? We have advertising expense, dividends, which comes out of retained earnings, insurance. So we've got interest earned, which is another kind of revenue. So we should put that in here. Interest earned, 35,500. And that should be it for all of those. So 184,500 plus 216 plus 35,500. You notice I'm typing the equation in here rather than doing it in a calculator. With lyrics, you can actually keep the equation, and then when you come back to look at it, you can draw it aside like this, and you can see what you put in. So it's a good idea to actually put that stuff in there. Now we have a few expenses, so we'll give ourselves a little room to work. Advertising expense is one of them. Oops, somehow I got building, so I can just go back and grab it and write advertising expense over top of it. 108,000 is the amount. You have to